5 common mistakes that can cost you. Whether you are a seasoned automation engineer or just diving into the world of PLCs, there are some common mistakes that can lead to big problems, costing your time, money, and sometimes even safety. Let's look at 5 key pitfalls to widen your PLC programming journey. Number 1, poorly structured code. Messy ladder logic or unorganized structure tests can turn even simple tasks into complex nightmares. It makes troubleshooting, updates, and scaling your system much harder. The fix: use consistent naming, add clear comments, and organize your logic into modular blocks or routines. Number 2, inadequate testing or simulation. Deploying code without full testing is like flying blind. When wrong and you could halt production, or worse. This solution: simulate your logic thoroughly. Use a virtual environment or test bench before touching live systems. Number 3, ignoring safety protocols. Skipping over safety elements like e-stops or interlocks is not just risky, it can be downright dangerous. Always integrate safety standards from the start. Your code should protect both machine and people. Number 4, hard coding values. Embedding set points directly into code might work today, but what happens when a process needs adjusting? Avoid rigid programming. Use variables that can be updated through the HMI for flexibility and ease of use. And finally, number 5, failing to plan for future expansion. If you don't build with tomorrow in mind, adding new sensors or features later could mean starting from scratch. Plan your architecture to scale, leave room in your input output structure and memory. Your future self will thank you.